Hello everyone, this is MJ, and you are at my channel called Reading This Life. My channel is where we talk fiction, friends, and fun. Today, let's talk e-readers. We're getting serious. Welcome if you are brand new, and welcome back if you are a subscriber. And if you're a long-term subscriber, it's great to see you. So, we're doing the deed. We're talking about it. Kindle. Amazon Kindle. For any of you that have followed my e-reader journey, there's a playlist here, Kindle versus Kobo. We've got a history, man. We've got a history. So let's talk about the Amazon announcement. All right, so I am a reader. I am an e-reader enthusiast, and I love physical books. I love audiobooks. I love it all. Can you hate me? No, you can't. So Kindle made the announcement for the updated Paperwhite, the updated straight Kindle, the Matcha, I guess, the Kids Kindle, and the Scribe, and the Color Soft. The Color Soft was the big news. I wasn't impressed. I was not impressed. I was not impressed with the Color Soft. I don't think it can match the capability of the Kobo Libra color. I don't think it can. You cannot write on text in color. You cannot write on text, period. I think there's something magical about this specific device, the Cobra color Libra, Cobra Libra color. You know what I'm talking about. A lot of people talk about the environment. Some people don't like it. That's okay. If you are not an annotator, this is not for you. You know, if you want that color vibe to do the graphic novels and to, you know, see your covers of your books, that's great. But the meat and potatoes of this device is using this pen and getting down and dirty with your annotations or your notes or whatever you're doing, okay? If that's not for you, save your money. Save your money, all right? But I think this is a better device than the Kindle Color Soft. There, I said it. Let's talk about the Scribe. I was hoping and praying they were going to release a color Scribe. It didn't happen. What happened is that it's the Scribe. It's still pretty much the same, but now we're putting some AI in there. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. This is a hella expensive device. I just want to read and make notes. I don't need AI. I don't need AI. Thanks, but I don't need it here in this environment. If the Scribe would have had an update for color with the added function of being able to write on text instead of the little text boxes and all of that, then maybe I probably would have tried, I more than likely would have traded this in. This is the same case that I've had for 2 years since, you know, y'all watched those other videos. And it's solid. It's solid. There's nothing wrong with it. And it takes a licking. Disappointed over that. Okay. Now let's get to the Paperwhite. The Matcha was cute. I don't need a smaller screen. I want a bigger screen. This is my Paperwhite from 2022. This is, again, the Moko case that I love. Is it Moko? I think it's Moko. Takes a licking, keeps on ticking. My Paperwhite is in here. Like I said, Generation 11, 2022. I upgraded. I upgraded my Paperwhite. Yes, I did. I upgraded to Generation 12, and I'm going to tell you the reasons why. Number one, it's so cute. Total Kindle girly reason. Number two, I got $30 and $35, $65 to use as a trade-in, to trade this in, to go against the price. I did it. I did it. Now, the one thing that pissed me off is you have to pay extra to get the ads off. You have to pay $20 extra. I know it's a pain in the ass, but I had to do it. So this was a little more expensive than what I wanted. In the end, was it $136 maybe? Maybe? I don't even know. Off the top of my head. But it was less than what it would have been retail. Okay. And it's worth it. This has 6 gigabytes of storage. This has 12. I'm doubling my storage right off the bat. Second thing, this sucker's fast. Boom. 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 Can you see if there's a lag? Watch the difference as I scroll. I'm hitting it multiple times and getting a little bit of lag in there. It's hella fast. Okay. So if you have an older Kindle and you're looking to upgrade, while the offer is still going on, it's 20% coupon and then whatever they will give you for your Kindle depending on the generation and the condition that it's in. Okay. You will even get something back if your Kindle is broken and it doesn't work. So give it a go. But yes, this will be going back. I have to send this back by December. Okay. It'll be going back next month. Now, the one thing that pissed me off, you have to get a new case because now we have a 7-inch screen and it won't fit in the old case and it won't fit in any of my Kobo cases. So I have to get a new screen just for this, a new Kindle cover. Okay. I have this, which is a high-end device protector, which it fits nicely in, but I just need a case. You just give me a clear case so I can pop some stickers on there. You know what I'm saying? You know the vibe. You know the vibe. So it's a lighter version. This is a very informal comparison, just so you all know. I am a reader. I am not a tech person. All right, let's do the side-by-side. Here's the side-by-side of the device. So you can see it's a little bit thinner. And then it doesn't even look like it's an inch more. Well, actually, it's probably just 2 or whatever it is, 0.2. But just that little bit up top here, it won't fit in the case. It's off just enough all the way around. There's like 2 centimeters or something like that that's blocking it. But yeah, so here's the 2 cases, or here's the 2 devices. So comment below. Can't talk. Comment down below and let me know what device caught your eye. Now, no shame, no shade if anybody went for the Kindle Color Soft. It's not for me. It's not for me. I have my Kobo. I'm extremely happy with my Kobo. I like being able to go back and forth between the different environments. I do library books on my Kobo, and I also purchase books from BookBub on Kobo. I do love Kindle Unlimited. I think Kindle Unlimited is superior to the Kobo, Kobo Plus, is that what they call it? Whatever the environment is. I think it's just a better, Kindle has a better option of books for me. Now, if you're a romance reader or something like that, Kobo has a ton. But if you're a horror girly, or if you like literary fiction, or, you know, more indie authors, I mean, there's a ton of indie authors on there. It's just different. And you will know if you go in. If you do the Kobo Plus free trial, you get a full platter. You get to try everything. I did it last year and I was just like, it's not for me. Not for me. Or maybe 2 years ago I did it. It just wasn't for me. So that's my assessment. Do I use all of my devices? Heck yes, I do. You know, I switch between all of them. But I really was disappointed with the Amazon announcement. It is what it is. I love my Scribe. I have no issues with it whatsoever. I think it's a fantastic device. Could it be better? My gosh, yes. But for the capability that it has, I'm pleased with it. Okay. Could it be better? Yes. I want to be able just to write directly on books. That would make me so happy instead of doing the notes and everything else. But if you're looking for color, my opinion, there's other devices out there. My opinion, this is a good one. It's a good one. I mean, come on. Can you underline in red at any other environment? Directly on the text? Love it. All right, so this is my e-reader family. For now, I'm going to be an empty nester on one of my Kindle devices, and then I'll be left with 3. 2 Kindles and 1 Kobo. And I'm fine with that. And then the rest are physical and audio. Okay. All right. So I hope that was a cute little comparison for you. I hope that helps guide you in making any type of a decision. All right, everyone. That is it here from me. I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. Oh, and just to let you know, because I do so many of these Kindle comparison, I've decided to become an Amazon affiliate, and I have an Amazon affiliate link. If you are interested in supporting the channel, in, you know, giving the little guy a little commission, I would appreciate it. My channel would appreciate it. And the link is down below. You don't have to, but I said, you know what? Why not? We'll just do it and see what happens. Fully transparent here on Reading This Life. All right, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Make sure that you're taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now and happy reading.